If you want to start dropshipping in 2026 without spending weeks building a store, learning ads, or testing blind, this is for you. I've been doing this for 8 years, and I can tell you right now, the people winning aren't working harder. They're using AI to eliminate 90% of the work. Just a few months ago, I built a brand new Shopify store from scratch, and I scaled it to over $100,000 in 24 days using the exact system I'm about to show you. And the reason it grew so fast is because AI now handles the part that used to take months. Store design, product research, ad creation, all of it. So if you only have 1 to 2 hours a day and you want your first sale within 30 days, then make sure you follow the system step by step. But before I show you the tools, let me quickly explain why dropshipping is the perfect business model to combine with AI right now. If you don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically when you sell products online without ever having to buy or touch the inventory yourself. You find a product, you list it on your website, someone buys it, and then the supplier ships it straight to the customer without you having to do any extra work. All you're doing is just running the store, the marketing, and your branding. No packaging and no warehouse needed. Sounds simple, right? Well, here's the reality. Just a few years ago, if you wanted to start dropshipping, you needed to either quit your job or sacrifice every hour that you have. Because building an online store from scratch, that's 20 to 30 hours minimum if you're learning web design for the first time. Then on top of that, you have to find a winning product, where you're then scrolling TikTok for hours, testing 10 to 15 products that flop, burning through hundreds of dollars before you even find one that breaks even. Creating ads, you're either spending days trying to learn video editing, or you're paying a freelancer $500 plus per video and waiting over a week for revisions. And even after all of that, your supplier could ghost you, ship the wrong product, or take 3 weeks to fulfill an order, leaving you with chargebacks and angry customers. So years ago, it wasn't passive income. It was a second full-time job with no guarantee that you would ever see a return, where most beginners never made it past that testing phase because they either ran out of time, money, or patience before they ever found a winner. But that was the old way. And now luckily, the dropshipping business has completely evolved. With the progression of AI, everything that used to take days, weeks, months, now only takes a couple minutes, where you don't need to be a designer to make a clean store, you don't need to be a market analyst to find what's trending, and you don't need to be some crazy marketing ad expert to pump out viral, scroll-stopping videos. In fact, later in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact AI tool that I use to create hyper-realistic UGC ads that look like a real person filmed them. No actors, no production costs, just AI. In 2026, you set the foundation, and now AI handles the rest. Now, I know many of you are probably a little bit worried as well, because with how fast AI is moving across every business and every industry, it's easy to start thinking that it's replacing people. But I need you to really listen to me when I say this. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to replace the people who do not know how to use it. Right now, AI has basically leveled the playing field, where the people who are winning today aren't the ones with the biggest teams. They're the ones who know how to use those tools that make building a business faster, smarter, and cheaper. A few years ago, you needed designers, copywriters, editors, market analysts, all types of people running your ads. I mean, really like a whole team of employees, where now AI can do what that entire group used to do, and it does it instantly. And when you combine it with a model like dropshipping, you've got something that's not only simple to start, but automatically scales itself. So now that you understand what's possible, let me show you the system that I use to actually get the results. And we're starting off with the first step that used to take weeks to complete. Right now, there's a tool called the AI Store Builder, and it can literally build your entire Shopify store from the ground up in under 2 minutes. It's the exact same tool that I used to launch that brand new store that I scaled, the same tool that I recommend to all my students, and the best part is it's 100% free. If you want to go ahead and follow along while I show you how it works, go ahead and hit the link right below this video in the description. So after using that link, this will be the screen that you'll be landing on. From here, the AI Store Builder is going to ask you to create an account. So just go ahead and enter your details and then click sign up. Next, you're gonna go ahead and choose your niche. Now you see all these options here, but if you don't see the one that you want listed, just go ahead and click I'm not sure, and it will still build you out a custom store. Next, it's gonna ask you to pick your store banner. And you can choose any of these that you like for now, but I do want you to remember that this is your store. So you can come in and change and customize anything that you want later on. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on these two and then go ahead and click next. After that, the AI is gonna go ahead and create the initial layout based off of our answers. Now our next step is to sign up with Shopify. And right now, there is a special deal inside the store builder that will help you start on Shopify with a free trial. And then for your next 3 months, it will only cost you $1 each month. Now, normally it's $39 a month. So you're saving over $100 right off the bat. And as a beginner, you might not understand what a game changer this really is, But pay attention because I'm about to show you. So let's go ahead and get signed up with Shopify real quick. Okay, now that we have our Shopify account created, now we can head back over here to the store builder to get it linked with the AI. Now all you need to do for this connection is to take the URL from Shopify, paste it back inside the store builder, and then it will be connected. Once that's done, there's just gonna be a couple more quick steps to complete, and then your store is going to be officially live. So now let's go and click access my store and see what the AI store builder has made for you. And just like that, you have your home page, your product page, your products, everything that you need fully built out. So the AI store builder handled the foundation. From here, all we have to do is just customize this to our liking. And what I just showed you in under 2 minutes used to take a web designer days and cost you hundreds of dollars, which just shows you how much the landscape has truly changed with AI. Now from here, it's just about making those small adjustments that may seem insignificant, but could literally be the difference between your store converting at 1% versus 4%. And I start with the ticker up top. So you want to just use this space to highlight a deal or perk like free shipping over $50 or spring sale for a limited time sale. Now it's small, but it's one of those details that get people to really lean in. And you have to remember, you got the freedom to tweak the heading, add a featured product section, even add in your own mission statement. You can literally use ChatGPT to help write something that captures your brand purpose and get all of this done in only a couple minutes. You've even got the section at the bottom for testimonials, which is huge because that is what builds instant credibility. Because when people see real feedback, it takes away doubt, it makes them feel safer buying from you. With minimal effort, clean setup, every section inside your store is now built to sell. After that, all you need to do is just go into Shopify, your settings, general, and then update your store name to match your brand, where now your store is built, connected, and ready to go live. So now you got your store built, but you're probably asking yourself, well, what do I actually sell? And you see, this is the part that trips up almost everyone, because here's what happens when you're not using AI. You start scrolling TikTok, looking for viral products. You see something that looks cool, and you think, that could work. So you go ahead and throw it right up on your Shopify store. But then 3 weeks and $500 in ad spend later, you've maybe made 2 sales. But what most people don't understand is that the problem isn't the product was bad. The problem is that you were just guessing. And when you're working with a limited budget and time, guessing is expensive. What you need is proof, real data that shows you what is already working before you spend a single dollar. And that data lives inside of AutoDS's TikTok Analytics, which is a tool that I actually helped develop specifically to solve this exact problem. Now, when you open it, you're not looking at random product suggestions. You're looking at products that are already selling right now, backed by live TikTok sales data. You can see how many units a product has sold, how fast it's growing, and whether the market is already oversaturated or if there's still room to get in. You can also see the exact demographic that is buying it, like the age, the gender, the interest, and which platform they're converting on. So instead of throwing ads at everyone and just hoping something sticks, you already know exactly who to target before you even launch. Now, here's where things get even better. Inside the TikTok Analytics section, it's not gonna just show you the product that's working. It's also gonna show you the ads that are also going crazy on the market right now, where you can go ahead and click see original ad, and it's gonna take you straight to the live TikTok post, where you'll see the creative, the comments, how recent the engagement is, and whether people are still buying today or if the product has already died out. Then if you see that is working, well, you can go ahead and open up the competitor store from there, see how they're pricing it, check their product page setup, and calculate your profit margin on the spot. And you see, all of this can happen inside one single place utilizing AI. No jumping between 10 different tabs trying to piece together whether a product is worth testing or not. This is the exact tool that I use to find every single winning product that I test. And you can go ahead and try it for 30 days for only $1 using the link below. So at this point, you got your store live and your product locked in, all in under 1 to 2 hours. But the next step in this process is the piece that separates beginners from consistent winners. Listen, you can have the best product and the cleanest store in the world, but if you're not pumping out real high quality ads, you're not gonna be pumping out any sales at all. And listen, the old way of creating viral ads, it just does not work anymore. That entire cycle is outdated and honestly just unnecessary. You used to have to sit there and spend hours chasing trends, learning to edit, paying agencies thousands of dollars, only for your ads to die out a week later. But you need to understand that the creatives that are winning right now are using AI to do the heavy lifting. So what you need, if you really want to hit that first $100 day, is an AI-powered ad creation platform built specifically for e-commerce. And the one that I've been taking advantage of lately is Arc Ads, and is especially effective for creating hyper-realistic UGC ads that stop the scroll. So if you're still relying on manual UGC ads, you're already falling behind because they take way too long to produce, and UGC creators often charge you way too much to pump out creatives consistently. Meanwhile, AI UGC generators are producing ads that not only look just as real as creator-made ads, but they're also infinitely more scalable and far cheaper. Every time that you wait for a creator to receive your product, shoot the ad, and then tweak it if it underperforms, you've already lost days and hundreds of dollars. But with Arc Ads, you can test so many creatives instantly and stay in complete control with no delays or waiting on anyone else. So when you sign into Arc Ads, you can pick an AI actor from the library, type in your script, and then the AI will generate a talking head ad that looks like a real person filmed it. And you can filter actors by gender, age, and situation to match your brand. Then you've got the two options for the voice. Either record yourself reading the script and the AI will mimic your exact tone and pacing, or just use text-to-speech and let the AI handle the rest of it. The cool part is that you have full control over how the voice sounds, the speed, the emotion, the expressiveness, all of it. So instead of sending endless revisions to a creator hoping that they nail the tone, you could choose it yourself and get all of that done in only a couple seconds. Then once you're happy with it, you'll hit generate and you'll get a finished UGC ad with realistic lip sync that is ready to go. And that's the advantage. No logistics, no waiting, and no back and forth. Now you can test new creatives, swap products, and scale your ad output faster than anyone paying freelancers thousands of dollars. So at this point, you should have everything working perfectly. The store, the product, the ads, and now the next step is to get traffic. And listen, this is a whole other video in itself, but I got you guys covered as I just dropped a full Facebook ad guide. So if you want to know how to run Facebook ads on a budget, go ahead and check that out after this. But I do need you to understand this, okay? Once you do start driving traffic to your store, the next step will make or break your business, which is your supplier. If your supplier can't keep up, your entire business falls apart. And here's the thing about suppliers. Finding one and then messaging back and forth and negotiating pricing and verifying product quality, tracking all those shipments manually, that is hours of work that you do not have time for if you're only working 1 to 2 hours a day. The old way, you spend days hunting down suppliers on AliExpress, waiting for responses, hoping that they're reliable, and then dealing with delays, wrong orders, or damaged products that kill your brand reputation. That is why I now use TeamDrop, as it uses AI-powered sourcing to automatically connect you with the most reliable suppliers from a massive global network without you ever having to buy a single product up front. So instead of spending hours messaging random suppliers overseas and guessing who can actually fulfill on time, well, AI will now handle all this for you instantly. On top of that, you get your own private agent from day one. Someone that is a real human that you can message directly on order updates, sourcing help, or even product verification photos before anything ships out. So you're not wasting time chasing suppliers or firefighting fulfillment problems. Instead, you're spending that time testing new products and scaling what works. So when you're in the position when you're making $100 a day, you're actually keeping it. No lost orders, no late shipments, no damaged product stories. And listen, all of what I just explained to you happened to me when I was trying to scale that $100,000 store. And TeamDrop was the reason I was able to actually get out of that situation. Then once your fulfillment is now dialed in and your orders are moving smoothly, you will hit the next big wall. You see, getting sales is one thing, but keeping customers coming back is what turns $100 days into $1,000 days. And that shift comes from automation. And here's what I mean. So let's say someone lands on your store, they add a product to their cart, but they end up not buying. Well, without automation, that sale is just gone. Or someone buys once, they love the product, but you never follow up. So then they end up forgetting about you and they buy from the competitor the next time. And ultimately, you find yourself leaving so much money on the table. That's why the best way to handle this is through automated email and SMS flows that do the selling for you. And the best platform for this is definitely going to be Omnisend because it's built specifically for e-commerce and it handles everything in one place. Let's say someone adds a product to the cart but doesn't buy. Well, an automated cart abandonment flow sends them a reminder an hour later with a small incentive. No manual work done from you. Let's say someone makes their first purchase. Well, welcome flow kicks in automatically, introducing them to your brand and setting them up for your next purchase. Let's say someone browses your website but doesn't add it to cart. Well, a browse abandonment flow nudges them back to actually taking that action. Where these three flows alone account for 80% of all automated revenue, and they run completely on AI and autopilot. So while you're sleeping or working your day job, your store is still making sales. And the numbers back it up. The data shows that brands make an average of $68 back for every $1 that they spend on these automations. That is why I set this up for every single store that I launch and every single student that I onboard, because it's not optional if you want to scale past $100 a day. And man, I remember starting out learning all this new information, watched every tutorial, understood the concepts, and I still made the wrong move. Not because I was clueless or the information was wrong, but because I had no one actually looking at my situation and saying, wait, stop, that number or whatever you're doing does not work. And I'll be real, that gap ended up costing me over $20,000 in a loss. And I'll leave it at that because honestly, it still kind of hurts to talk about it. But what bothers me most is just how preventable it was. One conversation with the right person, someone who would have just looked at my numbers before I pulled the trigger, and none of that had to happen to me. So if you're sitting on this information, but you still feel like something is off, like you understand it in a theory, but you're not confident in actually applying it yourself, that's no longer a knowledge problem. That's an accountability and support problem. This is the exact reason that I built my one-on-one mentorship, where every single week, myself and my team are in your corner going through your store, your products, your ads, your numbers, and telling you what needs to change before it costs you the way that it costs me. And if that's the piece that you've been missing, the link to apply for the limited spots available is in the description down below. Let's find out if we're a good fit. Now listen, if you've made it this far, that means that you're serious about getting this right. And here's the truth. Even with all the tools of automation AI gives you, there's still a possibility that you mess up making the wrong calls, especially with the starting point of your foundation, which is through product research. That's exactly why I lined all of this up for you in my next video of the top 10 winning products to sell in 2026, where inside that video, I'll give you my best handpicked product recommendations so you can eliminate human error in the first crucial months of starting. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching and following along. I'll see you in that next video. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.